Since hindi pa legal ang same-sex marriage here in the Philippines, wala na ba kayong pag-asa? Hindi na ba safe ang future nyo? Well, under our laws, para sa same-sex couples, wala kayong rights para mag-decide para sa isa't isa sa hospital. Wala kayong rights magmana ng ari-arian nyo. Wala kayong access sa bank accounts ng isa't isa. Wala kayong rights. Pero don't worry, dahil may pag-asa pa. When it comes to legal, financial, or other personal matters, pwede kayong gumawa ng GPA or SPA, General Power of Attorney, or Special Power of Attorney, depending on the specific. Meron din tayong tinatawag ng living will, medical directive, or a healthcare power of attorney. So, pwede kayong gumawa niyan when it comes to healthcare decisions for your partner. And valid to basta notarized and under the rules of the civil code. At pagdating sa pagmamana, pwede kayong gumawa ng will and make your partner your heir para siya yung makaka-inherit ng properties mo. But there are also other ways like making a joint account sa bank, owning properties together, as in kayong dalawa nakasulat sa titulo. Or maybe setting up a corporation. Since until now, under the civil code, marriage is still defined between a man and a woman. And so all automatic rights is only between a man and a woman. Yeah, I know. Medyo unfair, no? Pero attorney, wait. Paano naman sa situation na hindi na talaga makapag-decide yung partner ko? As in, hindi na siya makapagsalita. Incapacitated na siya. Wala na ba akong pag-asa? Well, then you can apply for a legal guardianship. Kailangan mo mag-file ng petition sa court, pakita ang medical record, or any piece of evidence to prove na incapacitated na talaga yung partner mo to make any decision. Plus, you have to prove na ikaw yung pinakamalapit and competent to make a decision for your partner. At hindi yung family members niya. Because of the limitations of the law, better to protect yourselves na lang. Dahil ang pagmamahal ay hindi puso lang. You have to make sure that you are also protected for your future. This is Congresswoman Attorney Mix Nograles, ang Pink Kanunay.